Hello everyone, greetings of the day. And in my, in my brand wheel lecture series, I would like to highlight your attention again in the category of successful brand in India, especially in the category of detergent, as you are aware of, and that appears on your screen also. The success story of the Tide detergent in Indian market. So there are many reasons that why Tide is the leader in the Indian detergent market. So Tide, our very own household detergent, has been a leader in the Indian detergent industry ever since its launch. With its over-the-top marketing and extraordinary branding process, housewives they started to recognize it as the only savior against yellowish tint in clothing. Yes, their positioning is that they are, the only savior for the, this housewives wives in the when they are washing their clothes is the yellowish problem. Yes, so yellowish tint in the clothing will be the best savior as far as this Tide detergent is concerned, and that is acclaimed by the many housewives as per the surveys also. So we have to check a quick background and the historical background of the Tide. In 1946, it was first introduced for machine cleaning purposes in the US market, and in 1968, it extended to a new version in the form of a stain remover, followed by a liquid version in the year 1984, and finally in the year 2000 Procter & Gamble announced its launch in India. And with continuous developments in the Indian market, Tide went on to become the first 1000 crore market in India in the case of detergent industry. So surprisingly, that what led to the grand success of Tide marketing strategy in India, obviously we have to learn the certain lessons as far as the national brands of the Indian origin are concerned. They must learn the certain lessons from the Tide also, and the Procter & Gamble strategies to overreach the Tide amongst the customer minds, especially the housewives and the households. So the first this grand success reason is the target audience. Yes, in India, women are the decision makers regarding household chores, right? And they constantly seek products that will help them solve problems in a cost-friendly manner. Yes, their target audience is obviously the housewives and the households to seek the cost-friendly effectiveness also. So Tide reckoned this fact, and Tide calculated this fact and targeted Indian homemakers at a large pace. So that's led to an upsurge in its sales and a boost in popularity amongst the homemakers. So this is the first, the target audience. Second, Tide is offering a solution. Yes, effective marketing is all about offering an effective solution to a recognized problem. Yes, they have identified the problem, and that is exactly what Tide approached in its marketing attempts also. So India's topography is built in such a manner that the clothes of an average Indian get dirty very quickly, and the Tide conferred to this fact and highlighted its whitening effects in the detergent that led to its merit popularity among the housemakers in India. Then next, this grand success phenomena of the Tide is that's attractive packaging. Yes, we all know that how packaging plays a significant role in effective marketing, and obviously the branding process. So the bright yellow orange branding was one of a kind and easily recognizable in the crowd also. So Tide's packaging has also grabbed eyes in India, and the brand has also been continuously inventing new packaging techniques to attract customers. Yes, the continuous improvements in the branding process, the brand development, brand maintenance is important, and the attractive packaging is one of the effective strategy also. Then effective segmentation. Yes, most Indians don't have sufficient budget to buy premium products, and understanding this behavior, Tide segmented its products under various categories like the popular, premium, mid-price, and super premium are some of its category at present, and they are catering the needs and requirements of the different strata of the customers in the Indian market. So the affordable product range is to be credited for its popularity in the rural areas also, where most of the population this cannot afford expensive detergents. Right? The next important, brand success reason is catchy taglines and campaigns. Yes, this is important. We have to use the such kind of taglines, which is this hits the minds of the customers. That's important factor. So, do you not remember the iconic Chौक Gaye Maharaj or Tide Hai to White Hai? So, Tide has always been a leader in integrating world-class campaigns for their launches. For instance, during the launch of Tide Plus, the tagline Tide Plus, Jode White Plus, yes, successfully emphasized its extra benefits with a stress on White Plus. Yes, that's important concern. Apart from that, its iconic campaigns like this Tide White and the Tide Gives Extra or Collar Up with Tide are carefully wrapped in societal messages are crafted to instill a sense of pride among Indian women. Yes, and if I'm talking about the takeaway, Tide as a branding star definitely redefines detergent marketing in India, and its attempt to go down at the present at this personal level to bond with the Indian homemakers is a very important marketing lesson for other competitors. So the competitors must learn certain effective strategies, especially the domestic players in the category of the detergent industry in India. They must learn certain lessons from the Tide, okay, because the competition is very high, and if the national brands are not working well as far as the